It's January 29, 2022. It's about 3:40 right now, and I decided to come out and plow the driveway. My next door neighbor plowed the road about 30 minutes ago, so I'm just gonna do my driveway. So far, the great blizzard of 2022 has dumped about 6 to 7 inches of snow here, but it's extremely fine granular snow, and it's packed in pretty hard, so I think the truck's going to get a bit of a workout on the first couple of passes. So anyway, time to move some snow. Now, camera shut off. Down here. Get this a little more tidied up. See, I've got a bit of work to do. Alrighty, how does that look? I think one more push right here. Alright. To go right here. Get this cleaned up a little better. There we are. How's that look? Not too bad. Maybe one more shove over here just a little. I can angle the blade and kind of loop in front of the garage and scoop some of this snow out. How'd that do? Not bad. One here. Now I think I'll drive out the road and back and see what it looks like, and then we'll call this little plow exercise finished, except for the shoveling, which I'm going to put off until tomorrow on the area right in front of my garage. This is snow that's drifted in since my neighbor plowed it. And this This is the one spot where I expected drifts across a big yard there, but it didn't happen. Getting snow blown across the truck as we shove it out of the way. Snow off the road or on the windshield as I'm getting off the road. Let me get turned around here. And, the town has plowed, but the road there goes into the national park and they have not plowed yet. I'm going to do a little bit more here to tidy this up. To head back. Visibility's a little down. Okay, so that is that for now. I'm going to back the truck in and call it a day. So tomorrow I'm going to have a bit of shoveling to do and maybe a little more plowing if we get more snow tonight. I don't know if we will. That was worth doing. It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, so I think I'll put the shoveling off until then. Okay, that wraps up a quick pass on the driveway and the road to get the worst of the first part of the January 29, 2022 Snowmageddon event. And I'll take the camera out and show you around a little bit from outside. It's pretty windy though, so you're probably not going to hear what I say, but that's the way it goes. Okay, here's the view of the driveway, and you can see I got probably 15 minutes of shoveling to do right in front of the garage, but that won't be that much. Particularly on the right hand side, that's where I keep my lawn tractor, so I don't really need to shovel that. Up there on my roof, not much snow, a little ice. It's supposed to get up to around 40 degrees on Wednesday, and I'm gonna have to go right up there to the ridge crest on the left end and put some more cap shingles on, which is going to be kind of a pain. So I'm hoping that snow melts off, because I do not want to go onto an icy roof. Anyway, that's my first pass at snow removal today, so we will call that good enough. until I feel ambitious tomorrow and can shovel the rest of the drifted snow off. Thanks for watching.